Hi, I'm Mike Rollins. I'm the SI Engineering Manager for I/O Connector Designs. My group works on all the connector designs, and we interact with the cable group to design the cable assemblies and the connectors, make sure it all works together. So we have a selection of cable assemblies we're talking about today. We've got the DSFP, that's 2 dual, that's 200G aggregate bandwidth. We've got the QSFP, that's 4 quad, that's 400G. And then we've got the quad double density, DD, that's 800G. And then the OSFP, that's octal, another 8, that's the 800G. So the QSFP DD and the OSFP are the highest total bandwidth products. There's also active optical cables, got similar set of products, CFP2, DSFP, QSFP, QDD, OSFP, and those are with optical cables, and they have similar bandwidths. We're working to get all of those up to 112 gigabits per lane. Well, now let's talk about the connectors. All the cable assemblies plug into connectors. They have a similar portfolio of connectors that go with the cable assemblies. The SFP, that's 1 lane, 100 gig. DSFP, 2 lanes. QSFP, 4 QSFP connectors, and then the OSFP connectors and QSFP DD connectors, which are both 8 lanes, 100 gig per lane, so that's a 800 gig bandwidth. So we've got a full portfolio of connectors and cages ranging from the 1x1, 1 connector to 2x12, 12 connectors wide, 2 connectors tall. We have all those configurations. We provide the thermal solutions as well for all of those connectors. And we're getting into the OverPass cable assembly market with connector on one end, cable assembly, and then panel connector. So the connector connects to another cable, it doesn't go directly to the circuit board. But for all these configurations, we're working on 112 gig designs, and we're starting development on 224. And if you have any questions, please contact us. Thanks.